Welcome to Columbia Ford Kia 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. Today we're reviewing the 2012 Ford Flex. Today we're going to do a review of the 2012 Ford Flex, record an exhaust clip, and take it for a test drive around the lot. The Flex is equipped with 18-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in Goodyear tires. Let's take a look under the hood. Here we have a 3.5-liter V6 engine with roughly 270 horsepower. Expect up to 27 miles per gallon on the highway with the Ford Flex. This powertrain is directly connected to a 6-speed automatic transmission. This one is featured in the dark blue metallic paint over medium light stone leather interior, chrome grille, convenient keyless entry, and all-wheel drive. Very popular options on the SEL. So now that you've seen the exterior, let's take a look inside. Walking inside, we find power windows, power locks, and power mirrors, adjustable brake and gas pedal, as well as 2 driver seat memory, 8-way adjustable power seats, and power liftgate. Dual zone climate control, and heated driver and passenger seat. Folding flat passenger side seat, steering wheel cruise control, as well as hands-free command center.
Sync, please say a command.
Audio.
Line in.
Also, you can select your media and turn up the volume on the 390-watt 12-speaker stereo system. Use the Sirius satellite radio, AM, FM, CD, or the auxiliary input. USB and auxiliary inputs allow you to input your iPod and store your favorite music in the jukebox. Sony sound system. Even a convenient backup monitor. The Flex features a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, panoramic Vista roof, hydraulic folding seat. You press a button and it comes down and flips up, allowing easy access to the 3rd row, which seats 2 as well. In the back, there's power windows, plenty of space to store stuff in the door, as well as a cup holder on the side. Additionally, there's a cup holder and more storage, a 110-volt power outlet, and climate control. It's also rated to tow 3,500 pounds owing to the trailer tow Class 3 package. Now we've reviewed the engine, we've reviewed everything from the wheels, paint, interior color, all the features, options, everything, and we've even revved it up. So what's there left to do after we've reviewed and revved it? Go to the driver's side, and we're going to test drive the 2012 Ford Flex. So here we go, we're doing our test drive of the 2012 Ford Flex. Notice that many newer cars lock automatically as you start driving. You may have just heard it happen, probably 10 seconds ago now. Now we're going to take a quick little drive around the lot here. You can turn on some tunes. This is one of the most smooth riding SUVs, crossovers, wagons, whatever you want to call it, that I've ever had. We'll go turn around really quick. Not going to get close enough for the reverse camera to kick in. Not the reverse camera, the reverse sensor. Now this is the SEL model. It also comes with a lower class SE, or the base model. The SL, obviously. It comes in a limited package, and also the all-new Platinum. Once we get one of those, we'll do a review on it. Otherwise, this is what you get. with the 2012 Ford Flex. Navigation's also available, DVD, refrigerator in the second row console is available if you opt for that option. This is on the lower end of it. This is priced at $39,000. A loaded one, you can expect up to $20,000 more. Actually, I can't say $20,000 more. Most probably something like $53,000 for the top of the line. So, this is what you have with the 2012 Ford Flex. Versatility, good fuel efficiency, powerful response, and what a smooth ride. So thank you for checking it out. Again, visit us on Facebook. Make sure you like our page to stay up to date on all of our advances that we do. We have inventory specials, giveaways, you name it, we have it. Visit www.columbiaford.com for ways that you can get in touch with us. Give us a call, 860-228-AUTO, that's 228-2886. Or stop by the dealership sometime. We'd love to meet you. We're at 234 Route 6 in Columbia, Connecticut. We are the largest Ford and Kia dealer in Eastern Connecticut. Once again, we'd love to meet you. Thank you for watching. This is Toph the Demo Dude with the 2012 Ford Flex. If you liked what you saw today, don't forget to subscribe.